Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a sun-soaked adventure at the Memories Flamenco Beach Resort in beautiful Cayo Coco, Cuba. Get ready to feel those Caribbean vibes as we explore this all-inclusive paradise that's been making waves among holidaymakers. So grab your virtual sunscreen and let's take a tour of this tropical gem. Let's kick things off with the accommodations that'll be your home away from home. Memories Flamenco Beach Resort boasts a whopping 624 rooms spread across 10 buildings, offering a mix of junior suites and suites. Now I know what you're thinking, junior suite sounds fancy, but what does it actually mean? Well, picture this: spacious digs that blend contemporary design with a touch of timeless charm. Each room comes with its own balcony or terrace, perfect for sipping your morning coffee while soaking in those garden, pool, lake, or ocean views. And let's not forget the essentials, air conditioning, because let's face it, Caribbean heat is no joke. Wi-Fi for those essential vacation selfies, a minibar, hello, midnight snacks, a safe for keeping your valuables secure while you're living it up, a TV for those rare moments when you're not out exploring, and a coffee maker, because vacation doesn't mean giving up your caffeine fix. Now, if you're feeling extra fancy, you might want to consider upgrading to the Diamond Club rooms. These bad boys come with some seriously swanky perks like personalized check-in, because who likes waiting in line, and access to an exclusive beach area with wait service. That's right, folks, you can have your piña colada delivered right to your beach lounger. Talk about living the dream. While the exact room sizes aren't specified, a bit of mystery never hurt anyone. You can bet your bottom dollar that these suites are designed to give you plenty of space to stretch out and relax. And whether you're traveling solo, as a couple, or with the whole family in tow, there's a room configuration to suit your needs, with occupancy typically ranging from 3 to 4 guests. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of any vacation: the food. Memories Flamenco Beach Resort doesn't mess around when it comes to satisfying your taste buds. The resort offers a smorgasbord of dining options that'll have you unbuttoning your pants faster than you can say all-inclusive. First up, we've got the main buffet restaurant, serving up a veritable feast of international dishes for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Picture mountains of fresh fruit, sizzling made-to-order omelets, succulent roasts, and decadent desserts, all waiting for you to dig in. But wait, there's more. For those nights when you're feeling a bit fancier, the resort also boasts several a la carte restaurants. These specialty venues serve up gourmet cuisine in elegant settings, perfect for a romantic dinner or a special celebration. And if you're in the mood for some al fresco dining, there are open-air casual options that let you embrace that tropical ambience while you chow down. Now let's talk about the real MVPs of any all-inclusive resort, the bars. Memories Flamenco Beach Resort features 8 bars scattered throughout the property. These watering holes serve up unlimited domestic and international drinks 24/7, so you can keep the party going all day and night. And for all you water babies out there, there are even swim-up bars, so you don't have to choose between cooling off in the pool and enjoying a refreshing cocktail. Talk about having your cake and eating it too. For sports fans who can't bear to miss the big game, even on vacation, there's the Route 66 Sports Bar. This casual hangout pairs cold drinks with live sports broadcasts, so you can catch all the action while sipping on your favorite brew. And when the munchies strike in the wee hours, fear not. There's a dedicated snack bar serving up late-night bites to keep those hunger pangs at bay. Now, let's dive into one of the main attractions, the pools and beaches. Memories Flamenco Beach Resort is a water lover's paradise, with multiple outdoor pools that'll have you feeling like you've died and gone to aquatic heaven. Picture crystal clear waters surrounded by expansive sun decks, perfect for working on that vacation tan. And while they don't specifically mention infinity pools or adults-only areas, trust me, you won't be lacking for places to take a refreshing dip. But the real star of the show? The beach, baby. Memories Flamenco is lucky enough to be situated on one of Cayo Coco's famous white sand beaches. We're talking the kind of beach you see in postcards, soft, powdery sand that feels like silk between your toes, meeting calm turquoise waters that are practically begging you to take a dip. It's the perfect spot for swimming, sunbathing, or just lounging with a good book and a cold drink. And speaking of drinks, the beach service here is top-notch. Imagine lounging on your beach chair, soaking up the sun, when a friendly staff member appears with your favorite cocktail. Now that's what I call paradise. For those who like a bit more action with their beach time, the resort offers a variety of water sports activities. While they don't provide an exact list online, gotta keep some surprises, right? You can expect typical Caribbean offerings like snorkeling, kayaking, and windsurfing. And if you're part of the Diamond Club, you'll even have access to an exclusive beach area with personalized wait service. Fancy. Now let's talk about activities, because Memories Flamenco Beach Resort knows that even in paradise, sometimes you need a little more than just sun and sand. While they're a bit tight-lipped about the specifics of their fitness center, maybe they're going for that whole mystery workout vibe. You can bet there's a place to pump some iron or hop on a treadmill if you're feeling guilty about all those pina coladas. But let's be real, you're on vacation. This is the time to treat yourself. And what better way to do that than with a spa day? Now, I'll be honest, the resort is playing it close to the chest when it comes to spa details. They're not spilling the beans on specific treatments or facilities like saunas or steam rooms. But hey, a little mystery keeps things exciting, right? Just imagine melting away your stress with a beachside massage, the sound of waves in the background. I can feel my shoulders relaxing already. For those who like to keep active on vacation, the resort offers various land and water sports. While they don't give us a full rundown again with the mystery, you can probably expect things like beach volleyball, tennis, or maybe even some water aerobics classes. And let's not forget about those nightly entertainment shows. Picture yourself sipping on a mojito while watching traditional Cuban dance performances or grooving to live music under the stars. Now that's what I call a perfect end to a perfect day. Now, if you're traveling with little ones, you'll be happy to know that Memories Flamenco Beach Resort is super family friendly. They've got a supervised kids club that'll keep the youngsters entertained while you sneak off for some adult time. The club offers daily activities tailored to different age groups, so whether your kiddos are tiny tots or too cool for school teens, they'll find something to keep them busy. While they don't give us the full rundown of kids' activities, seriously, what's with all the secrecy? You can probably expect things like arts and crafts, pool games, and maybe even some fun Cuban-themed activities to give the little ones a taste of local culture. And who knows? Maybe they'll even pick up a few Spanish words to show off when they get back home. For the littlest vacationers, the resort likely offers services like babysitting for when mom and dad need a date night, and special menus in the restaurants to cater to picky eaters. And let's not forget about those family-friendly pools, perfect for splashing around and making memories that'll last a lifetime. Now let's talk about what's beyond the resort gates. Because as amazing as Memories Flamenco is, there's a whole world of Cuban adventure waiting for you. The resort is conveniently located just about 14 kilometers from Cayo Coco International Airport, so you can go from plane to beach in no time flat. And while Cayo Coco is known for its stunning beaches and natural beauty, there's plenty more to explore. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.